Okay, so let's see how this works for T-SQL Tuesday 162. So I have a data set I'm going to copy with headers. I'm going to say, give me the Python code to produce a line chart compares, I call that month with production with current month estimate using this data set. So now ChatGPT is thinking, generating. Actually, it's jumping back. The UI is a little funny here, but it's to create a line chart. Here we go. So it's saying production data.csv and production month. And we're going to do this stuff. It gives me an explanation of what it's doing. Well, that's fascinating. Do we think this works? Display the chart. Okay, so let's do something. Save results as. We'll put it in documents. We'll call this solar production data.csv because I think that was what the code used, right? Production data.csv. Okay, so we've got data. Now we're going to copy this code and we're going to put it in code, new file, Python file. All right, let's save this as documents, ChatGPT, solar chart, .py. Okay, now what are the odds I have this somewhere? So in my documents, I have that here. I think that went somewhere else. So let's see where that went. Steve. Documents. Yes, let's take that and let's put it back in here. Okay, so I've got production data in that. And now, CLS, that there. Production data. Okay, so Python. Can't remember what I called it. So Python./chat. No, so I don't have pandas. Pip install pandas. I don't know if this will work because I don't know if I have the correct rights here. Let's see if pandas gets installed. This packaging, though, by the way, is neat. It's amazing to me that we get this packaging done. Installing, attempting to install. Yeah, so let's try. Dialogues, administrator. Let's see if this works. Yes. Install pandas. So this stuff's downloaded, so looks like things are going slightly better here now as we're into 4 minutes trying to get a line chart from ChatGPT. Though, to be fair, this is my fault. Like I assumed I had pandas, but I didn't do it. So now let's do econ, see documents. So Python chat. Matplotlib. Okay, so it's not, I don't want to spend, actually pause briefly. Okay, so I have this working now. A little bit of code I had to do, which is kind of cool to see this chart. So, Matplotlib wasn't installed, so I had to do that. So we installed that. Let me come up here. So we installed Matplotlib. That installed. Then I get an error production month at the key here, which is causing problems. What I ended up doing is, first of all, I put headers in here because this headers weren't in here. Then I commented out this because it was filtering the data to only the current month. And so I just set this variable there. And then there was a thing in here looking for current month that I just got rid of. And once I did that, then this code produced me a chart, which is kind of cool.